droids look faster than this, guys. Alright. It's not like you guys are walking into a trap. It's okay to smile. Having fun.
Stand behind your builder.
Right sides, everyone.
Right.
Oh, right side.
Right here, last one right there.
Welcome to the workshop. My apologies again for rushing you in like that. See, the first order just recently arrived into town about 2 weeks ago, and we can never be too careful who we let into our workshop, into our home. We'll go ahead and take a look around. I know there's not much to see. Probably some dust, candles, maybe junk to you, but to us, this means everything. Allow me to introduce you to Kelly, Carlos. My name is Eddie, and we humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. As gatherers, we travel far and wide across the galaxy. Whether it's an abandoned outpost like the Great Temple in Yavin 4, fallen starships of Jakku, war-torn battlefields of Dantooine, and even forgotten Jedi and Sith temple ruins. And we scavenge for these seemingly worthless relics and artifacts, and we bring them back here to the workshop for you. As gatherers, we know how crucial it is to preserve our past so we can ensure a brighter future for future generations. As you saw outside, the future is looking a little dim. But there's a call sent out by General Organa. Have you heard of the legendary Luke Skywalker?
Yes.
Now there's a new Jedi who's answered that call. She goes by the name of Rey. She is the spark of hope that we now need. And that's why you're here, every single one of you. You're here to answer that call, just like Luke and Rey. By building this, the lightsaber. Both elegant and enigmatic, the lightsaber has been wielded by the greatest of heroes and the darkest of foes. To build a lightsaber is an art form, a lost art form. It was used in a more civilized age, direct reflection of the builder, connecting the builder to the Force, allowing the Force to flow through. And today you will all feel that connection, believe me. But in order to have that connection, we need one important thing. You need this. The kyber crystal. Now, the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. It channels and focuses the Force and magnifies its powers unimaginable. The color of one's crystal will depict the color of one's blade. We, the gatherers, have gathered 4 crystals for you to choose from on our travels. As you can see, they were no easy task, but we managed to do some for you. Let's begin with blue. Once wielded by Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his young apprentice, Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey, our spark of hope. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and the legendary Luke Skywalker has wielded this color. Violet, the most rare and beautiful kyber crystal amongst the galaxy, once wielded by Master Mace Windu. And finally, red, the crystal of power, Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now wielded by Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. You are our future. It's time for you to choose your kyber crystal. So for those of you who are building, I ask that you please close your eyes. Go ahead and close your eyes. And look deep inside your heart. And whatever color reflects your heart is the heart of your lightsaber, your kyber crystal. Hold that color in your mind. And now open your eyes and choose your kyber crystal. It's yours. Take it.
Okay, you can open it.
You can open your eyes. Once you have taken your kyber crystal, you may then place it on the green holder that lies before you.
Violet?
Now we need to harness the power of the kyber crystal, and that's where the hilt comes in. The hilt is the foundation of the lightsaber. So my fellow gatherers and I are presenting you your previously selected components that you need to build your hilt. I know it looks like a lot, but worry not. I'll go everything in just a moment. Like everyone has their components. Beautiful. So let's explore and listen very, very carefully. To your far left, you have your chassis, which houses your kyber crystal. In sections 1 and 2, you have 4 grips. You'll choose 2, any 2 you'd like. Section 3 are your emitters. They go at the top of your chassis. Section 4 are your pommels. They go at the bottom of your chassis. And section 5 are your set of activation plates. They go at the center of your chassis. Builders, are we ready to build? Yes. Oh, that was sad. Okay, let's put the lights in.
Alright, builders, they're going to be helping you this side. Let's make sure that we're holding your chassis with these windows facing up. Windows facing up? Perfect, great. In the center of your chassis, there's a small chamber. If you press up inside that chamber, you're going to feel a spring. Go ahead and get your crystal now. And with the help of that spring, you should be able to get your crystal to stand up straight in the center. It's going to sink to you and it's going to glow.
It will also light up, and you should be able to spin it inside the chamber using your fingertips without it falling away.
Alright, once you have it, give it a good spin, just to the crystal itself, just to make sure that it's in place correctly. Spin the crystal.
There, let me know if you'd like any assistance.
Very good.
Next is row 5.
Almost there.
Other end.
Wonderful, perfect. Now we must protect our crystal. On your chassis, you'll see that you have a red mark and a blue mark on one of the sides, red and blue. We are going to go down to number 5. On number 5, you have 2 matching sets of activation plates. I need you guys to choose one set, and the way it works is if you flip them over, you'll find that they also have a red marking and a blue marking. And the way it works is the blue square or the red square will go exactly on top of the same color that you have in your chassis. So red on red and blue on blue.
Whichever set you choose, if you look inside,
It's easier if you slide it from the side.
Just like
So the blue square exactly on top of the blue square, and the red square exactly on top of the red square. Very nice. Once you have it, one of those plates is your switch. Go ahead and do this fire for me. You need to hear a small sound. Up and down. Very good. Do you have the sound?
Indication something's wrong.
But I will let you know that every grip has a
Did you hear this fire?
that big band.
Did you hear this fire?
Yeah.
Check your switch.
Perfect. So now we're going to go back to numbers 1 and 2. On numbers 1 and 2, you have 4 selections. Out of those 4, you need 2. You're going to need 1 for the top and 1 for the bottom. You can choose any one you like to go top or bottom. One rule. All of your pieces have a thicker band. That thicker band will always go to the center of your hilt, whether from the top or from the bottom. Once you have the ones that you like or you feel comfortable with, you can press and twist, and they are going to fall into place and attach to the center of your hilt. Okay? You want to choose 2, please.
Decide on which 2 grips you prefer.
Like that. The thicker band, yeah. No, you had it right. You had it right. Like that. And then you can just press and twist. So that's for the top emitters. Once you saw go ahead, attach those first. Find the ones that you like. That one's not today. There you go. There you go. So are they attached? Very good. So number 3 has your emitters. You have 2 options. Just one for the top. If those are the ones that you like to keep, you can go to number 3. Number 3 has your emitters. You have 2 options.
After that, you can hear
Very nice. Number 3 has your emitters. You have 2 different options. Choose one for the top. And then now that you have your emitter, you need to protect your powers on the bottom, or either your combos. Choose the one for the bottom. Very nice.
When you're done building your hilts and you're satisfied with it, place it on the hilt holder in front of you. Either myself or fellow gatherer, go check your work.
Okay. Do you mind if I take over?
Okay, this is your activation switch.
Made a sound in the beginning.
First time in my class. Very nice. Ready or you satisfied?
Would you like to do yours?
Yeah, go for it. You should be able to hear it. Go ahead and check your activation switch. Push it.
How many sides are yours like? Yes. Right there. Let's just go one more time. Wait, this should be good to go. Great job. Alright, can I take a look at yours, please? Alright, that's great. So this right here is your switch for activation. Are you satisfied with your selections? Yeah. Wonderful job, Bill. Go this way.
This Well done, builders. But now comes the most dangerous part in building a lightsaber. So we need everyone to take a giant step back. Giant step back. Alright, now my fellow gatherers are coming around to secure your hilts in the crystal stabilization chambers. Now we are not force sensitive. We're just humble gatherers trying to make our way around the universe. So therefore we need this technology to stabilize the kyber crystal inside a hilt. Very good hands. Yeah, it's good.
I'm curious about
And after stabilizing the kyber crystal, know that. What's going on?
With many parts you began, yes. With the heart of the saber they are joined, much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. You must sense that the force is strong in this room. Builders, he's right. It's time to forge the bond between builder and saber. So in a moment, I will ask you to step forward, place your hand on your hilt, and activate. Let's do this together as one. Builders, are you ready?
Yes.
Please take a step forward. Place your hand on your hilt. Take a deep breath. And activate. Raise your lightsabers high. You have just built a lightsaber. Like the Jedi and Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. But remember, it only takes a spark. Beautiful. Nicely done. Please lower and deactivate your sabers. The bond is
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. And thank you, builders, for seeking us out today. Your lightsabers are as unique and extraordinary as each and every one of you. However, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your lightsaber, we're pleased to present to you a saber sheath as you depart. Sadly, Bobos, our time here has come to an end. Your journey is just beginning, and it is time for you to leave your mark on the galaxy. And who knows, perhaps one day, we, the Gatherers, will be here telling your stories. Till the spire.
Till the spire!
Right down that way.